Tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Not acceptable. This is just not right. Basic misfield like this can really cost them a lot. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Invites the drive, but he's not interested. Let's this one go. Good leave. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Outside off, and the batsman does well not to follow it. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Handsomely played, but straight to the fielder though.